What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, March 8th, I think. I usually post, I try to post Sundays and Tuesdays, but I did not post today because I didn't have anything to post. So this will probably get put up Thursday is when you will see it. My cousin is coming in to visit next Tuesday, and she's staying until that following Sunday. So we are gonna do some deep cleaning. I started yesterday a little bit. I didn't film it, but we need to deep clean the bathroom upstairs, vacuum the stairs and the family room, and upstairs I need to kind of clean up that room. It's Amelia's room, but I don't really want to call it Amelia's room because she doesn't even sleep in it, so it's office slash guest room. So we need to clean that, make sure there's sheets on the bed, and yeah. Also want to clean the fridge, the inside, and organize it. And I also want to clean the stovetop and the oven. So that is what we're gonna do. Actually, I think this is gonna go up next Tuesday. I want to give myself some time to do all of this. I can't do it all in one day. And I need to put Sean's laundry away. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get started. Oh, also, I did color my hair. I did I don't even know how to pronounce it, Schwartz something with an S, and it's the Intense Cocoa, and it's supposed to be brown, but my red still peeks through. So it almost looks like I have highlights in my hair, and I kind of curled it too. So I don't know, I'll have to give it another 6 to 8 weeks, and then I'm gonna dye it again, and hopefully the red will be gone. I wanted to do what is it? Ow. A violet or something, purple. I didn't come, it was kind of over the red. But then I'm let's do brown. I haven't done brown in a very, very long time. It has been a while. So let me know what you guys think. Sorry about the lighting, but I have not cleaned. I'm trying to save it for Saturday or Monday to kind of tidy up the kitchen, clean the fridge like I said, and organize it, and the freezer, clean the stovetop and the oven. I'm going to tidy up the family room like I mentioned, tidy up the guest bedroom. I need to put all of Sean's clothes away, and he's got some workout stuff up there that I need to bring down to the basement. So just some, I mean, the kitchen's not little stuff, but little stuff vacuuming that family room and just doing the bedroom upstairs, making sure there's sheets on the bed. But right now I'm actually I'm just really hungry, and I don't want to wait till lunchtime. I mean, it's almost lunchtime. It's 10:45, so I'm sure by the time everything's done it'll be 11. But I'm making some homemade french fries, and in Romania we use this seasoning called Vegeta, and I'm almost out, and luckily we have a European store here in Colorado, and I went to it one time with my parents just to check it out, see what they got, and they actually have Vegeta. So I'm gonna go, and I need to get some more, and they have some I don't know if I have any who follows me or whatever, but mushk, it's smoked pork loin. I don't know, it's really, really good. Anyways, so I made my french fries. I made a cucumber, tomato, and mozzarella salad. I just put some salt, pepper, oil, vinegar. And then I'm also making myself a hot dog with like, I'm just craving it with ketchup, mustard, and relish. So Amelia's probably going to eat like the French fries and the salad. I don't know. I highly doubt she's going to want a hot dog. So that is what we are having for lunch. I finished up on laundry. I am all caught up. I'm probably not going to do laundry up until like Monday, just because we don't have anything. We don't have much. So I will see you guys Saturday or Monday whenever I pick up and start filming.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Okay, so we're going to finish up the stairs here, and then I finished this video today, which is Monday, and I deep cleaned the fridge, took out everything that was expired, and we also deep cleaned the stovetop and the oven just a little bit.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say, something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. And I said, see it in your mind, trust that have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it. If not, says who? Yeah, you can make it too. If not, says who? You can make it.
It feels so good to have such a nice, clean fridge. I am going grocery shopping tomorrow, so tomorrow it will be stocked up and ready to feed the girls all kinds of snacks. And Sean, of course.
I want to be there and baby dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.